Today we are going to make a paper flying bird. So to make a paper flying bird, we need a square page. So here we are with a square page. Now turn over it. Fold this corner. Now along this black line, cut this portion. Take the scissors and cut this portion out. Now fold this part like this. Fold this part also. Both sides are done. Now take this portion and insert it inside. Now fold this so that this becomes a conical one. So you can see that our paper flying bird is completely ready. Now take the black color sketch pen to make the eyes. So let's draw the eyes of the bird. This side one eye, and turn over the page now. This side the another one. So our paper bird, flying bird is completely ready. So how is it looking? Now quickly press the like icon, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates of my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you everyone. Bye.